Okay, so good evening to you all. Today is our day 2 and the final day for this uh ODK training, that is Open Data Kit training. And yesterday, if you can recall, we stopped at this place where we saved our form, and the form is under draft. That's where we stopped yesterday. And today we are going to continue from where we stopped yesterday. We are going back to the form and complete the form, deploy the form, use the form and fill some data, and we come back and download the data, and I show you the final result of what we have done. So when you save your form, that is the draft file, just click on this. So you click on it again. When you click on it, you can click back edit form. You see it here, edit form. When you click edit form, it will bring you back to where you are. You all know that what we did yesterday. We did that, and we start creating the form. So now let's start creating the form. So let's see how continue creating the form. So please keep writing what information you want us to put in the form, please, in the chat, so that I will keep filling it. Yesterday someone said email, so let me add email. I'll just add email. Okay, let me add email. Email is a text, so we will make it as text. So please keep writing what you want us to write, then I will keep uh doing it there. So please keep writing. I'm sorry, I can see. Just keep writing what you want us to put. Okay, let me check. Okay, address, next of kin. No, we'll take address, but not next of kin. Qualification, we put qualification already, but I'll put address. So let me put address. So before address, we're supposed to put states. Yes, we're supposed to put states. So for this state, what I'm going to do, I think I'm going to create a conditional I think conditional LGA towards the state. So for the state, let's create, like, for example, like 3 states, and we create two LGAs from each state, so that you learn how to create a conditional question like that. So let's do that. Let's see how we are going to do it. Let me take this up here. Yeah, I'll leave this here. So for the states, I'm going to create a select one. So I will create options. I'll start with my state, definitely Zamfara. Then which state? Which state? You can give me any states. Let's see, Zamfara, Sokoto, Kebbi. I can see Kano. So I know we have some Kano people here, and Jigawa. Okay, so these are the states that we have. So we'll create another question, LGA. But this question, we are going to create different uh option, that if someone selects Zamfara, all the LGAs related to Zamfara will appear, but we'll create it for two LGAs. So that's what we are going to do. So we'll create it for two LGAs. Someone say Katsina Taraba. Don't worry. Okay, let me put Katsina, since someone want to see a state here, so that we will have a one love for everyone. Katsina and Taraba, right? So so we didn't put any southern states. I think someone should give us any state from there. Yeah, Katsina, Taraba. So I put Katsina, I put Taraba, I put Kebbi. So let's continue. I just want to show you this, so I think it's okay. But let's put another southern state, maybe Lagos, Ikiti. I can say Rivers, like that. Oyo is okay. Let's just stop it there. So I will just create it for like 2 states. You can do the rest if you want, but I'll just create it for the 1, 2, 3, the one that I knew they are local government. So for this LGA, I'm going to say we have, example, we have Anchor, and I can say we have, I will not say, I'll just, let me just say Anchor, Gusau, then Bukum. This is what I'm going to write, 3 of them. So now I want this LGA to appear only when the person selects them for a state. So I'm going to click this setting. When I click the setting, I'm going to keep this. So this is the skip logic. So I'm going to put this. So I'm going to create this. So only when state is equals to Zamfara. That is, this question will only be displayed if the following condition apply. That is only if state is what? Is Zamfara. That's the only when this particular local government for this Zamfara state will appear. So I will create another one and call it LGA again. Then I will put select one. Then I will write, for example, we have Bodinga, Pinji, Sokoto South, and Sokoto, let's say Sokoto North. For example, these are the for Sokoto State. If the person selects Sokoto, then I will select this setting also. Then I will skip logic, add a condition. Then I will select Sokoto, where is state. Then I will select Sokoto State. It will only appear when the person select Sokoto State. Then, of course, I will click another one, LGA. I will say KB. So we have Augi, we have Zuru, we have Birnin KB. Yeah, we can stop there. So for Kebbi State, then I will click here, skip condition, click here, skip logic, go to state, then I will make it Kebbi like this. Then I will go again, LGA, select one, then for Kanu, Ungogo, Nasarawa, Pagi, like this. So you know all the LGS in Kanu, and I can put it. So this is it. I can put 3 condition, skip logic, add a condition, then I will select state. If state is what? Kanu. So like for Jigawa, you can go ahead, Babura, whatever, all the LGS that you have, you put them. I don't even know, it's Babura LG, I don't know, but it's LG, I think. So this is it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can go ahead and create for all these states 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you are going to create LGA for all these 10 states. That means in as much as the person select this, then it's going to be see this. If he select this, is going to see this. If he select this, is going to see this. So this is for the conditional question. That is, these LGAs are attached to the option that if the person select this, is going to see this. If he select this, is going to see this. So that's for state and LGA. That's for that. So let me just remove this so that we can see it again. So what next are we going to put? Someone said grade, no picture, no, we're not going to put grade. Okay, so let's put the geo coordinate. So we're just going to say if you just all we need is we can just select a point like this. We can just do that, but let's say let's give it a name. For example, I can say GPS. I can just call it like that. But if I don't want to put anything, let's just click on this point. So it's just a GPS. So when you are in the form, you are just going to see this to select the location. Yes, that's the GPS. So we can call it GPS or we can call it location. So after state, I think let's add address. So let's add address. Address supposed to be a text. So I will just, if you want to move the question up, you can just drag it. You see, when your cursor turn into this, you can hold your left click and drag it up. So let's put it on top of this. Then the address will be like this. So we have address. Then what? I think we are okay. So let's put the image. Let's click here and put image. Let's say capture image. Or let me just say image. Then we click here and we select the image. Where it is photo, then we make it a photo because we are snapping with the picture. So I think what else do we need to put? Please think of that. What else do we need to put? What question do we need to ask? We put age, we put gender, we put qualification, we put email, phone number. Yes. Phone number. I don't think we put phone number. Phone number. So for the phone number, we are going to put number. Yes. So we put phone number. Then what? Then what? Maybe do you? Yeah, I put email. Let's say, do you agreed with all the? Okay. Are you sure? Let me just put this. It's just for him to tick. Are you sure that all the questions, all the information provided is correct? So we just make it let's just put a tick that is acknowledged. So let's put it here. We just want him to acknowledge yes. Then we continue from there. So I think that's all what we are going to do for now. Tribe, please put that tribe aside. We are not going to religion tribe. It's okay. You can do that when you are creating your own, but this is where we are going to stop. So for the geo coordinate, I think let me drop it down. I want to put it at the end. I think that's where it's supposed to be. Yeah, it's okay for it to be at the end like this. So we have it here. So what we are going to do now is for us to save. So let's click on save. And of course, we save uh our form. So let's go back where we did return to list. Let's click here. Now we are going to deploy our form. That means we are done with creating the form, but now we are going to deploy the form. So we are going to do that right away. Yeah, it's okay for that. It's okay. It's okay. So now just click on the form. When you click on the form now, okay, sorry, just sorry, please. I'm sorry, something just came up. I'm sorry. Okay, so now let's just deploy our pump. Like I said, you click on the pump. Let me go back so that you will see it again. Okay, sorry. I just want us to come back to where we are. So draft. So this is the draft. Just click on the form. When you click on the form, this is where it is. So go to the form. When you click on form now here, you are going to see a deploy. So now we are deploying the form. So just click on deploy. That means the form is going to be live. Now the form is live. If we want to use the form, this is how we are going to use it. Just click on here, collect data. Click on this, collect data. Click on this, collect data. Then when you click on this collect data, how are you going to collect the data? You are going to collect it using Android application. Just click on that. So, okay, didn't I click? Okay, just click on that Android application. Sorry, I didn't click on it before. When you click on it, it will tell you what to do. Now it will say install Kobo Collect. Click on dot, put the URL like this, then get blank form and username and password. You see, put the URL like this, put username and password, and open a get blank form and this and this. That's how you are going to do the deployment. First of all, you are going to download the Kobo Collect. So don't worry, I'm not going to cut off the class, but I'll give you the chance, all of you, to use your mobile phones. You can minimize the class, use your mobile phones and download ODK. Just go to, you can download Kobo Collect and you can download ODK. It's all the same. Like I told you, anyone you want to download, just download it. You can download Kobo Collect. ODK is all the same. We are going to do it the same because ODK is the most kind of popular, because I don't want you to get confused while working with this. Sometimes you will be working with ODK because ODK is more popular than the Kobo this thing, Kobo Collect. But you can download both of them because we are going to do the deployment together. So please go ahead and do it. When you are done, you can just tell me yes, yes, you are done, so that I can see we are all together, so that we continue. Please download the Kobo Collect. I will give you the username and password that you are going to use. I will give that to you. Don't worry, I will give that to you. So please do that. Or maybe wait, I'm not give okay, yeah. Uh I have to show you how to do it. Sorry, let me see something. Did I download? I'm sorry, let me just check. No, I don't have it here. I don't have it here. So maybe I'll cut. I don't have. Okay, so, I don't think it's safer for me to give you the username and password. I think let me give you. Okay, I'll give you the username and password that I used. Let me just give you that. I'm sorry, I'll give you the username so that you can send some data and we can do it together, and I'll give you that. So I'm coming. Okay, so please, if you download the form, let me know. If you download the ODK, let me know. ODK or Kobo Collect, download any on your mobile phone. If you did that, then I'll tell you what to do next. Please download it. Have you all downloaded it, please? Please, if you download it, let me know. Some of you that are with us. Done. Yes. Please let me see if you can download. If you download it, we have a lot of people, so I want to see a lot of yes, so that we can be on the same page. So either if you download ODK or you download Kobo Collect, let me open both mine so that we can be on the same page with all of you. It has the same interface. The ODK and Kobo Collect has the same interface. When you open it, you are going to see collect data anywhere, and it will just show you configure with QR code or manually enter project details. It's all the same. Like I told you, it's not something, there is nothing different between them. It's all the same. So anyone that you are using, when you open it, please click on manually enter project details. Yeah, please, have you click on that? Say yes if you did that. If you did that, let me know so that we can be on the same page. Say yes, please. I didn't have emulator. I think there is this class that I used with emulator. I show how people can use it so that I can take you through. But it's okay if you can follow. I think it's okay for you. You can do it also. It's not something difficult because I want you to send some data so that we will see the data together, and I'll show you how to download the data. All of you, you are sending, you will just keep sending data, send, and whatever that you want. So now the next thing is they will ask for the URL. This is what you are going to write. Write HTTPS, this URL that I highlighted. HTTPS, all small letters, colon, // that is 2 // then kc.kobo toolbox. Please write it the way it is on the screen. kc.kobo toolbox.org. kobotoolbox.org. So that's the URL. Just put the URL the way it is. So for the username, you write Ahmad Technologies. Please, someone should write it in the chat so that they will see how it is. The name Ahmad Technologies. That's the username. Just write Ahmad Technologies in small letters. Ahmad Technologies. That's the username. Write the usernames. For the password, please, are we all together? I stopped seeing yes. I don't know if we are all together. No, not Ahmad Technologies like that. Without a space, please. Without a space. Without a space. Just Ahmad Technologies as username without a space. Are we all together? Then for the password, you write ODK, but O capital letter, O capital letter, ODK with Ahmad. That's the password. But all other letters should be small letter. ODK with Ahmad. ODK with Ahmad. But O should be what? Should be capital letter. But I'm sorry, some of you that will watch this video, maybe when you are watching this video, I changed the password. So I'm sorry for those of you that will watch it after. Then what I maybe you create your own account, you create your own form and you deploy it the way we are working with it now. But I will change the password, please. So I think those that will watch the video after the class, you have to create your own account and use your own login details. So put the login details that you use to register your ODK. That's what we are doing, but I'm giving you mine so that we'll be on the same page. So when you did that, when you put the ODK with Ahmad, just click on add. Click on add and it will maybe ask for the permission. Then you just click OK. Then you allow ODK to do everything. Just click allow. So if you are seeing start new form, draft, ready, send, download form, delete form, if you are seeing that we are on the same page with you, please, are you all seeing that? Yes or no? Please, just tell me. Okay. So the next thing is for you to click on download form. You will see download form. Just click on download form. Once you click on download form, you have to see this data analytics profession. This deployed form, you have to see it. Are you all seeing it? Yes or no? If you are not seeing it, we are not together. Please let me know. Are you all seeing it? Yes or no? And the form will be selected. You will see that there is a tick on the form. The form is selected. There will be a tick on the form. You will see it. Yes. So click on get selected. Under it, you will see get selected. Click on get selected. When you click on get selected, it will just show you all downloads succeeded because it's not something big. The file is not that big to download and whatever. Did it show that to you? Yes or no, please? So just click OK. It will bring you back to the interface where it shows start new form, draft, ready, send, download, delete form. That's what is going to show to you. You will see that. Okay. Okay. So now what you are going to do is please click on start new form. Please click on start new form. When you click on start new form, you are going to see data analytics profession. Definitely. That's the form you downloaded. Please click on it. So you see all the questions we created. Just start filling the form. Start filling the form. When you write whatever you want to write, swipe. You can just swipe your phone or you click next, select your agenda, select the date of birth. Please just keep selecting and keep filling. Just start filling it, please. Start filling it. Just start filling it. Put your email. Please, when you are done, just let us know when you reach the final stage. So you will see our state is working. When we select Zamfara, we'll only see Zamfara local government. When we select Sokoto, we'll see Sokoto local government. When we select Kebbi, we are going to see Kebbi local governments. That's how we create it. So then you move to address. Then I'm taking a picture. So you can take a picture if you want. But if you don't even take a picture. If you want to choose from your computer, you can choose any picture that you want to upload. Just choose it and upload it. Maybe your password or something like that. They update this application. It's even awesome now than the way it is before. So for the phone number, I will put my phone number. Okay, so now there is one mistake that we did for the number. We'll correct that. Don't worry, I will go back to the form. I will correct that. If you are collecting phone number, please make it a text because it's a text that will take all the 11 figures that we want to put in a phone number. Because now it will not take that. It will just take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's only 8 that it will take. I think it's 8, yes. A is about how many thousands or millions? That's about in 100 millions. That's all what it takes. So it's stop at 100 million because we select number. So you have to select text since you want it to take like 070 up to 11. So please don't select number when it's come to phone number. I forget to tell you that. So it's okay. You can correct that. So are you sure all the information are correct? Yes. Then you select the geo coordinate. You will see it show that start geo coordinate, geo point. Just select your geo point. You need to allow your location. Select the geo coordinate. Then it will show you when you reach the final stage. It will show you are at the end of data analytics profession survey. We can write survey at the end, for example. Just click on either finalize or save as draft. If you don't have a network, maybe where you are working, there is no network. All you need to is to click save as draft so that when you come back to the town where there is network, then you finalize the form and then you send the form. Another thing that will make you to save as draft is you started the filling the questionnaire or the form, but you are not done or you are not sure about certain information. You want to come back home, sit down and correct some information, then save as draft. That's what you are going to do. But if you know you are sure about the information, you have the network, you have everything, just click on finalize. When you click on finalize, it will just come under ready to send. Once you click on finalize, you come back to the interface where you see start new form draft. You will see it under what? Under ready to send. But let me show you something. If, for example, you want to save it as draft, that is, you don't want to finalize it. When you click save as draft, you will see it under draft. So now you can have one draft, one ready to send. So that one that you have on draft, you can click on it to go through it and change whatever you want to change. You can click go to start or go to end. If you click on go to end, it will come back to you are at the end, just click finalize, then you will have two ready to send on the form. When you click on that two ready to send, you can just select the two forms that you have under ready to send. When you select them, you can click on send selected. You can see send selected. I didn't get to, there is option pipe on what? I didn't get what you mean. There is option pipe on. Yeah, it's okay. That one is just, we'll just, please, that one is nothing. Now, when you are creating your form, you correct it. So now let's send it. When you are ready to send, you click on ready to send. Then you select all the forms. Please, any form that you finish, just go to ready to send, select it, and click on send selected. It will automatically be sent to the server, and you are okay to just tell you successful. You see under send, you have two sent items, and you cannot correct them if they are already on the server. So please send some informations, send your form, just keep filling the form so that we'll have enough data to download and just talk about the data. So please do that. I'll give you some minutes. How many minutes left for us? Yeah, we still have we have 10 minutes to go. So let me give you like 2 to 3 minutes to just keep sending data. Then we'll come back and see how to download the data, and we are done with this class. So please keep filling the form and we'll come back. Yes, I saw what you said. There is option 5. I saw that, please. So keep filling it. Let me refresh because I started seeing data here. I can tell you how many data we have currently. I can tell you we have about how many? 7. We have about 7 data. Marwana sent, Abdurrahman sent, Sani Sauda to send. Do you know why I have your names? You already know why I'm capturing your names. You know that. So I will tell everyone that sent. I can tell Mubarak Aliyu, Sambo Alhaji. These are the people that sent their information. So anyone that sent, I can tell you the name of the person that sent. Okay, you are just also filling the full name. You are filling your full name. So please fill your name under full name. Please write your name there so that I can also see your names. Please keep doing that. Just keep sending. We only have 7. Keep sending data so that we'll have like enough when we download it. Keep sending the data. Keep sending the data. We have 8. We have 8. Amrullah Sani send his data. We have 8. Please keep sending. Just keep sending any information. If you have brothers, feel for your brothers. Just keep filling the information, like anything that you want to put, just put. All we need is the data. Please just keep writing the data. Please keep writing the data. Keep doing that. I'm just seeing. Let me refresh and tell you how many people send their data and how many each person sent. I can tell you that because I can see the report even from my end. So don't worry, just keep sending the data. You all send one information. Please keep sending. Please keep sending. So now we have Aisha Sani Umar again. We have her data. Please just go to ready to send and send your data. Don't wait, please. Don't wait. Just do that. Go there and just keep sending. I just want to keep seeing data from you. Please keep sending. We have 9 data. We have 9 data, 9 people. Okay, Nura Yusuf Dinar send his data. I can see, of course. So we have 10 people, 10 data, 10%, and that's what we have. So please keep sending. I'll show you where to see the report and whatever. Please keep sending your data. Just keep sending. I just want us to keep seeing the data. We only have 10 records. So please keep sending the data. Just keep sending. Someone is okay for the username and password. I say Ahmad Technologies. Ahmad Technologies. Password is ODK with Ahmad. https://kc.kobo-toolbox.org. These are the login details. Please use them, Lawrence, and follow us, please. Go ahead. Sorry, I just saw your message now. Please go ahead. Use them on your ODK or your Kobo tool. Just use them and continue, please. Use them. I want to see your information. I'm not seeing much now, please. Just keep sending. I want us to have much information. Why am I seeing new people sending their data? What is wrong with you? You are not sending all that. Saudatu, I'm not seeing any information again. You are not sending your data. Please keep sending. You can't send empty data. Please don't send empty. Select whatever you want to select. Select something, please. Please keep sending. For the geo coordinate, all you need to is to make the selection of allow your location to be open. Just select anything. It will select the longitude and latitude of the location you are. But don't worry about that. It's just sometimes you need to do that. There are certain information that you need to collect that. There are more to this geo coordinate. I don't want to talk about it because is that what when you are using GIS, that is all the QGIS and whatever software to create that map points and whatever with it. But don't worry about that. Maybe one day we might have something to do with that. I can maybe hold a training about that. Okay, so please keep sending. Yeah, that's great. That's great. I have 21 records now. That's great. That's great. I have 21 records. Of course. So we are having much data. So I think can we call it a day now so that we can stop here and see what we have done so far, and I'll show you a lot of how to download the data and how to see some things. Please, can we stop here? Can we stop here? Can we stop? Okay, so let's stop here. I think let's stop here, but you can keep sending your data, but let me show you how to download it and where to see the data. So now I'm coming back. Can you see my screen? So this is our dashboard. As you can see, we have the summary already. We have a form. This is where we are on the form before. When we select the Android application, we saw the login details, and you are coming here on that data. So click on that data. This is the data that we have already. These are the data. We have 26 already now. These are the data that all of you sent through the form. And thank you so much. Let me tell you one thing. If you know how to collect the data and send the data, that alone is a skill. That alone is a skill. You can do a lot with that skill because once you are hired in any NGO hired you to do data collection as a numerator for them, you have no issue in using the ODK, downloading the form, sending the data. A lot of people have no idea how to do this. So even if you know how to send the data alone is something. But now you know how to create even the form. So now when we have a table, this is the data, the raw data, we have a report. This is the report on all the information sent about the data. You see, this is it. We even have some charts. It's just a normal chart. So we have BSc about how many people with BSc. So these are the charts related to people with BSc. These are the marital status. So of course we have a lot of symbols here, I know. So that's why a lot of symbols are here. You can just have an overview of the report, the information sent. You see, all these are the information. So this is it. When we come to gallery, we can see this is what some people send. Look at the images you sent, please. Someone is uploading laptop, so you can see. Okay, this is someone. I don't know who is this person. Sauda is smiling. Look at this. Okay, so these are all the people that sent the pictures that you uploaded. I can see all this is the data that you sent. So this is somebody is sending two of our pictures. So let's move. These are the galleries. This is where you are going to see it. So to download the data, this is where to download the data. Click on download. When you click on download, you are going to see XLS. I told you yesterday that XLS is what? And one of the format of what? Excel. So we have CSV, we have JSON file, we have SPSS labels, we have CSV, that is comma separated value. This is CSV. We have this JSON file that has to do with, you know what JSON is, GeoJSON. Those of you that are good in, JavaScript and whatever, you know what JSON files is all about. So we have GPS coordinates. We want to download it as that, but let me tell you, just download it as XLS. That is the format of Excel. For this, don't touch anything. Just leave it at as these levels. Leave it like that. We have advanced, but please don't touch this advanced. I highly recommend don't touch anything here. When you select XLS labels, click on export. Just click on export. Once you click on export, it will just create a new export for you here. Then you click a download. Just click download. Once you download it, it's going to be like this. We downloaded the file. Let's just click here. This is the file. Double click on it. Just double click on it. Open it, and you are going to have all the data that people filled. Then you start working with the data, analyze the data, create a report based on the data, share the data, and do whatever you want to do with the data. So this is the data that we have. Let me just open this. So here it is. This is all the information. So you see, these are the meta. You see all the meta that we did. You see all the meta. You see that meta. All these are meta. All these are meta, including this, all this. Let me just yellow it. These are the metadata. If you can recall the start date, the end date, the today, the username, the device ID, the this. All these are the what are the metadata. So this is where the form start. So we have full name, gender, date of birth, qualification matters, email state, LGA. All these are the different LGAs that we have. So it's going to create for each LGA. This LGA, Aguso LGA, these are what? Sokoto LGAs, KB LGAs, Kanu LGS. These are the 4 LGS. So if you create 10, we are going to have 10 LGA columns for all of that. Then we are going to maybe match them together and do our analysis based on that. So we have all this address for the image. This is the link to the image. So if I want to see this image that someone upload, all I need is to click on the URL of the image. Then I can just skip verification. I want to see the image. It will open the website where the image is. So it will ask for the username and password. So I'll put okay. So like I said, where we stop, when you click on the image, when you click on the image here where it is, this is the link of the image. When you click on the image, just skip verification. Let me just skip verification. Just click here. It will ask you for the username and password. Okay, I already put the username and password, so let me do it again. So let me click it, skip verification. It will ask for the username and password. Okay, so I already put the username and password that we used in the ODK. Sorry, I just did that. So when you did that, you are okay. So another thing I'm going to say is when you want to edit the form. So you click on the form. When you are at it, click on the form, come to form, click on edit, then you edit whatever you want to edit in the form. Just edit whatever you want to edit, update whatever information you want to update, click save. When you save it, go back to the form, click on it, come to the form and click on redeploy. So when you redeploy it now, if you want to use the updated one, you need to go back to your ODK. You need to go back to your ODK, then you click on delete form. First of all, you need to delete the form. Click on delete form. You will see save forms and blank forms. Click on blank forms. Then you select the one that you downloaded, the first one, that's the old one. You delete it first. When you click delete, go back and click on download form. Then you select it the way you get it the way you did the first time. Then you tick on it and click on get selected. Then you start updating everything, and everything is going to be, is going to be updated. Then you will have the updated form. And if you want to create new form, then you click build another form and you continue like that. So I think This is exactly where we are going to stop in this. If you have a question, please ask your question. I'll respond to all your questions and we can call it a day. It's getting late. I have some things to do. Yeah, so please, let's just round it up. I have another thing that I want to uh, attend to. It's urgent also. So if you have a question, ask. I'll respond the question. We'll call it a day and we are done with ODK. You can continue doing that. Please, if you have any question, you can ask. I'm not seeing any question. No, Musambo, I don't want to confuse you. Please, I don't want to confuse you on that. Please just use the application. I think it's okay. Can we drop question via email if no, after this class, please don't. There are some people that are doing that to me, that they want me to keep answering their questions for them every day, every time. I'm not like that. This is the only time I save for this. Please, if you have any question, I think we can call it a day. Yeah, Sambo, I don't want to confuse people. Please, let's just leave it like that. But yeah, if you want, you can do it online only for people to download to send the data online without the form. So you can share the link. Okay, since you talk about that, let's just show it. So now, as you can see, this online and offline submission, you can select this online or this offline. You can do that. If you want online with multiple submissions, you can just click on this. It's going to be online with multiple submission, online with multiple submission, online only with copy the link. Now, if I share this link with you, even with you as we are doing this, if I share the link with you, now each and every one of you can fill the form and send it without using ODK and whatever to do that. So you can do this. You can use offline and online with multiple sections, but I highly advise you not to, if and in as much as you don't want to share this thing. But one thing about this is, please don't even use that. Use the Android application. I highly recommend that. Don't even use this, please. That's my this thing. So if you have a question, you ask your question. If you don't, I think we can call it a day. And I wish you all the best in this. Thank you so much for being here. Yeah, I can't see any questions. So I hope all is well. So please stay blessed and thank you so much. See you next in my next classes. I'm always having a class on Saturday, career intake, where I normally answer question and answer. I attend to most of the questions that you have. So maybe we can meet there on Saturday or 9. I think it's 9 p.m. we start always. So let's stop there and we call it a day. Thank you so much for being here. Bye bye.